Nona just dropped? Nona? Nona from Indonesia? My wives just shadow dropped. Maybe y'all already knew about this drop. I think actually they did announce it was gonna happen, but I've been packing and preparing for a little road trip I'm going on literally like in 10 seconds. So I figured I gotta watch this before I go on this little trip. So let's go. Nona Honk music video. Boom. Sabang Marake.
Look at me, look at her. Fixing the
Yes, ma'am. I will. And you know what? Let me put you in 1080. There we go. 1080p.
Look at me, look at her. Fixing the rearview mirror. Put him up, toasted. Buckle up out of here. Yeah, we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go.
Esther! Ooh, that's a fun one. Dog.
Got the junk in the trunk and we make it bounce.
Close your mouth, T-Hubs. Oh my goodness. Hold up. They just did like the wheels on the bus thing, the little kid jingle, and they turned it into something spicy. Oh my god. Only Nona could do something like that.
Got the junk in the trunk and we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face and I always got my way.
What's in my face?
Bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face and I always got my way. Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. Nona on the license plate. Got I bet. Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, on the license plate. Got I bet. Jump to like me. If you're wondering,
The recoil!
how I got it on my own. I've been working all day, all night, all day long.
Oh my god, they're all evolving. Usually it's like Bila and Christy going crazy spicy mode. Now all four of them are just evolved to ultimate Spice Girl level. Holy shit. Ah, yes!
Get on the
Ooh, dude, this choreo is cool. This choreo is simple and nice. I like it. And what are these cars? Are these like an Indonesian type of car or something? I've never seen this before. God, just run it back. They're so fire. Oh my. Woo! This is fun. Bro, this is hella fun. Dude, Nona always be shocking me. Like, I feel like every song be getting a little bit crazier, especially the videos with the movements they be doing. And somehow they getting even crazier. Woo! Zog. Are we dead ass serious? Nona. Wona. It's like W, Nona, and whoa at the same time. That's triple meaning. Oh my god, I'm a genius. I'm a poet. Wona. That was amazing. They give me Cat's Eye vibes. I think I just realized that. They give me Cat's Eye vibes because they're like a pop group. They got like that more maturity about them. That's spicy. That's spicy. Holy shit, bro. Wow. Yeah, this is amazing. And they make such like simple good songs. It's about honk, beep beep, and they made a banger out of it. Like did they just be like going through the dictionary and finding a random word and be like, honk. Oh, let's make a song about that. And they just cook. That's what it feels like. They're so talented. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Random question for the comments of the day. Where are you from? Type where you're from down below. And also let me know what you thought of this song and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!